How to get your blueberry bush to fruit can sometimes be a challenge, but whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasoned pro, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to help your blueberry bushes thrive and produce an abundant harvest. So watch this video until the end to see how. Choose the right variety. The first step in ensuring your blueberry bush bears fruit is selecting the right variety for your climate and soil type. There are three primary types of blueberries. High bush blueberries, common in the northern hemisphere, are suitable for colder climates and produce larger berries. Low bush blueberries are best for cooler, more acidic soils and generally produce smaller berries. Rabbit eye blueberries, native to the southern United States, thrive in warmer climates and are highly drought resistant. Ensure the variety you select is well suited to your region's temperature, rainfall, and soil conditions. Plant in the right location. Blueberry bushes need a location that provides full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Insufficient sunlight can lead to weak growth and limited fruit production. Select a well-drained area, as blueberries do not thrive in waterlogged soils. Raised beds can be a good option if you have heavy or clay-like soil. Prepare the soil properly. Blueberries require acidic soil with a pH range of 4.5 to 5.5. Test your soil before planting. Soil that is too alkaline will hinder growth and fruiting. To lower the pH, you can incorporate materials like elemental sulfur, pine needles, or peat moss. Ensure the soil is rich in organic matter, which helps with drainage and provides nutrients to the plant. Adding compost or well-aged manure can enhance the soil quality. Water consistently and correctly. Blueberries need a consistent supply of water, especially during the growing season. Ensure that the soil is moist but not soggy. Water deeply, ideally to a depth of 8 to 12 inches, to encourage strong root growth. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses are ideal to deliver water directly to the roots, reducing the risk of disease from wet foliage. Mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulching around your blueberry bush helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain soil acidity. Use organic mulch materials such as pine bark, pine needles, or wood chips. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around the base of the bush, but keep it away from the stem to prevent rot. Fertilize properly. Blueberries have specific nutrient needs. They are sensitive to over-fertilization, particularly with nitrogen. Use fertilizers specifically designed for acid-loving plants, such as those with ammonium sulfate or urea. Fertilize in early spring when new growth begins and again in late spring. Avoid using fertilizers that contain nitrates, as they can damage blueberry roots. Pruning is essential for maintaining a healthy blueberry bush and encouraging fruit production. The best time to prune is in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. Remove any dead or diseased wood-weak shoots and old canes that no longer produce fruit. This will allow sunlight to penetrate the bush, improving air circulation and reducing the risk of disease. Ensure proper pollination. Blueberries benefit from cross-pollination. Planting 2 or more different varieties can increase the chances of successful pollination and result in larger, more abundant fruits. Additionally, attracting pollinators like bees to your garden by planting pollinator-friendly flowers nearby can help improve fruit set. Protect from pests and diseases. Blueberries are susceptible to pests such as birds, aphids, and spider mites, as well as diseases like powdery mildew and root rot. Protect your plants by using bird netting, and consider organic pest control methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of disease and take action quickly to prevent spread. Patience is key. Blueberry bushes take time to mature. Generally, it takes 2 to 3 years for a young bush to start producing fruit, and around 6 years to reach full production. Don't be discouraged if you don't see a large harvest immediately. With the right care and attention, your patience will be rewarded. Getting your blueberry bush to fruit is rewarding and requires careful planning, preparation, and consistent care. By choosing the right variety, planting in the right location, maintaining proper soil conditions, and following these essential tips, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious homegrown blueberries for years to come. Happy gardening, and I will see you in the next video.